We are at Manohar Parrikar Junction, a very famous place where the residential house, the old house of late Manohar Parrikar's family is just over here opposite. And this junction of four roads is dedicated to our great visionary leader who shaped Goa's future, who laid the foundation for a vibrant Goa, who laid the foundation for a developed Goa. जे गोंयान डेव्हलपमेंट आयज आमकां दिसता, हे हायवेचे, हे ओवरहेड ब्रिजीस, जे ब्रिजीस कनेक्टिंग रायट फ्रॉम बांबोलीम टील वेर्ना, हे विजन आमच्या आदल्या चीफ मिनिस्टर आनी डिफेन्स मिनिस्टर ऑफ द कंट्री मनोहर पर्रीकराच्या. ते खातीर पोर्रा गांवांत जो तेजो गांव आहा, ह्या गांवान आमी हे जंक्शन डेडिकेटेड तेका कोत्ता. 13 तारीख on his birth anniversary, we are inviting the people of Goa to come here to celebrate the vision what he had of this great leader. A small inauguration will be held for this square, Manohar Parrikar Square, Manohar Parrikar Junction. So I am inviting all the people of Goa, please be here at 5:15 on 13th of December 2023. Thank you.